All right, folks, welcome back. 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude. First things first, the exterior. What's an altitude package? A lot of you know, some of you don't. Body colored fascia around the whole vehicle. We have a lovely red metallic, so that's top and bottom throughout. Okay, black exterior alloy wheels. Okay, black badging throughout. Okay, dark bezel headlamps on the front. A little bit of a tint on the bottom on the rear. The black step pad on the back of the vehicle. As we dive inside the vehicle, we'll kind of go over a few of the features that the car has as well. All right, guys, moving inside to the interior of this 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude that we have here at St.Albert Dodge. A couple things you want to go over. ProTech group on this one, so you got your parking sensors and lane departure, as well as blind spot monitors that you have in the mirrors right there. Guys, sunroofs are back in this Altitude. Lovely sunroof package and sun and sound, so you get your 9-speaker Alpine audio system as well. Of course, heated seats, heated steering wheel on these brand new 2022s. And as well as you can go with is, well, your half leather and half suede seat. Guys, any more information on this vehicle, if you'd like to book an appointment, please call me, Anton, here at St. Albert Dodge, 780-952-4472. Thanks.